Travel, too, expected to be affected both during and after the winds. We can expect a lot of obstacles and debris, perhaps even some tipped-over vehicles. We don't know. Madeline O'Neill is live in Oak Creek with how to best avoid all of it. Madeline?
Well, what strange December weather out here. As you can probably tell, it's already very windy, just expected to get worse. Probably a good idea to stay home if you can, but if you do have to venture out, you'll want to stay alert.
60-mile-an-hour winds, that's pretty up there.
It's the kind of weather that can throw you off course.
I've seen them on videos, and it's not a pretty sight.
High-speed winds are especially threatening for high-profile vehicles like trucks and semis, at risk of tipping over.
I haven't come close to tipping over. I don't want to.
Professional drivers like Michael Young ask that everyone slows down and keeps an eye out for trucks.
It could be tragic,
with potentially dangerous consequences. The Wisconsin State Patrol is urging everyone to keep a safe distance, buckle up, keep a firm grip on the wheel, and eliminate distractions.
You've got branches that could be flying around, barrels, you name it.
Flying in the air, planes can be impacted too.
We actually have a pretty robust planning cycle.
So far, airlines such as Sun Country, operating out of Mitchell Airport, are not expecting to cancel any flights, but they're monitoring conditions.
Our system ops control team will have already distributed high wind alert notices to all the stations. Make sure that they go into their high wind protocols where they're locking equipment down and things like that.
Back on the ground, Young won't let his focus sway.
Safety, that's always on my mind, and getting home to my loved ones.
Another thing to keep in mind, something we can attest to out here, is that gusts can be stronger in exposed areas like on bridges and overpasses. Live in Oak Creek, Madeline O'Neill, FOX6 News.
Madeline, thank you so much.